One of her life's thrills was singing the national anthem at Detroit's Tigers game. Now, she's passionate about singing here at the Great Apollo. Welcome, Alicia Durrett.
Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Come on, put your hands together. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style. And so I came to